Hi everyone, this is my progress on the L robot. So I managed to assemble the leader arm after a few mistakes, and it's calibrated so you can see the Norma Station on the left. There's this weird black area because it's just the way I'm sharing this video. Um, so you can see there are like 8 motors. So number 8 is the actual trigger that can go up and down. You can see the actual percentage of the range. So it depends on how you calibrated that. So I didn't do a good job there. And the actual temperature sensors from the motor, the actual lag, the current one, the maximum one, and essentially if it's working or not. So you can see that what the model is not the one with that gripper. So I need to do a better 3D model. Uh, but yeah, here's a kind of like a good feeling. It's very smooth. But of course, if you leave this, oh, look at that, it's a pizza tower. Obviously, because they are low gear ratio, if I drop this is going to, it's going to drop, right? And so one of the features that it would be very useful, well, in another kind of leader arm, for me was to add a button here, which I will try to do next, so that essentially you can lock the arm in place. But one way to do that from the web interface is to enable web controller. So let's see if I leave it here. Right, now it's stuck in place, so I can leave my hand. And need to remember now. So let's see, I'm going to just move the finger, which you cannot see probably. So let's put the finger there. And I can move the finger, yeah, up or down. This is amazing. It's like a ghost moving the actual arm. Or I can move the M7, which is the wrist. Yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it? And or I can move the I don't know how do you call that? Is the phalange the part of the wrist? Let's see if I can stand it up erected. Please don't make any jokes now, yeah, guys. Let's try to put it like that. And this is okay. Come on, come on. This is interesting. This motor is really struggling, and I wonder if because it doesn't have. Let me see. Yeah, it's struggling. So the problem with these motors, because it's a low gear 5-volt motor, it's really struggling to go up. Please, no jokes. And yeah, this is this was not meant for doing that. So let me try. Can I lift it? Not really. Yeah, doesn't want to do it. Obviously the base it's easy to operate because if you calculate the actual momentum, it's not too bad, right? Um, but yeah, moving the other one, it's really a challenge. Okay, it's moving now. I can tilt it, uh, which is fine. Okay, this is doing something. Let's see if I can. Ooh, so it kind of depends. I mean, I can feel. Oh, the temperature is okay. I don't feel. I mean, I want to see if there's any. Yeah, so it depends on the configuration. Like it's obviously it's struggling sometimes. Let's see if I can erect challenge. And it's kind of like giving Viagra. uh, I can get that. I don't. I'm unable to get M4 to do anything. Yes, this is working. It's sort of like locked in place, and I understand why. Oh, some reading errors. I'm going to go to self-control because this is going to drop right now, right? So if I go self-control, boom, right? And so M4, okay. So M4 is essentially one. So this number one, two, three, and four is this little fella here. Is the actual. It does have this weird like double elbow that makes it really interesting. So that was the motor that sort of struggling, the M4, right? It's I can't even rotate. Let me see if I can. Yeah, it's going to be stiffer than the other ones. It does have, it does need a lot of power to move, to be honest, which is why it's refusing to move. Let's see if I can. Yeah, because it's possible. So if I try something crazy, I'm going to give it that position maybe and see if we can stand. So I'm going to go into web control mode. Oh my God, I don't know what's going to happen, but okay, it's stuck in place now. It's yeah. Gosh, I feel sorry for M4. Now it's M3. Let's see. Okay, I don't want to break this thing, but ooh, ooh. All right, it's going back. So yeah, that's M3 over there, and let's say M4. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. It's definitely struggling. I mean, it's not going back again. Um, so yeah, this is kind of interesting. I mean, like I never thought of problems of inertias, and it's kind of doing it, but I mean, I can feel unstable, but I try to release it a bit. Yeah, let's let me put it back. So there we go. So yeah, it's an interesting lesson. I wanted to sort of memorize one position. So next time when I'm doing an exercise, I want to go back to that. But yeah, I'm not sure my plan is really possible because yeah, there are certain positions that are very, let's say, dangerous for that specific torque requirements. So yeah, that's an interesting lesson that I mean, let me know if you have had these problems before. And yeah, just follow me for the next one.